Good afternoon. I am back at my parents' house. I am back for the weekend. I actually have a 3-day weekend, so I figured I would come back, especially since I had to work last weekend, which was Mother's Day weekend. I am actually going to the beach tomorrow, though, with a couple of friends. We're going to the Pacifica beach with the Taco Bell Cantina. And we're just gonna be chilling at the beach, just catching up. Alright, so I have been chilling, playing some Stardew Valley for a little bit, but I'm headed off to Trader Joe's to pick up a couple things. Just finished my super quick Trader Joe's run. I was just picking up a couple things for my mom and then a couple snacks to bring to the beach tomorrow. Anyway, I do need to fill up my gas on the way back home. Good morning, happy Saturday. I'm currently headed out to my friend's house so we can go together to the beach. Alright, so I just got to my friend's house. I live on the other side of town, so it took me almost 20-ish minutes to get here, but I also had to pass by my old high school to get to my friend's house, and it was kind of a trip, going the same direction I used to go to get to school every day. I haven't been back to my high school since I graduated, and I took a brief look at it while I was passing by, and the colors just seem different. I don't know if they repainted it since I graduated, but it just seems a little different. Definitely has more gates than what I remember, but it has been a long time since I've been in the area, and I didn't really get that good of a look because I was trying to concentrate on driving. I'm still really nervous when it comes to driving, and I don't have like as much practice since I just take the bus everywhere when I'm in SF. Alright, so I am back from the beach. We did eat dinner just now, but I had a pretty good day of just chilling at the beach with my friends. It was kind of overcast and a little bit windy, but it was still overall a really good day. Good morning, happy Sunday. Currently taking a walk. I am going back to SF today because I have to work tomorrow, but I think me and my parents are gonna go to the mall later because my dad wanted to go to Uniqlo. All right, so I just made it back to the apartment. Just offloaded my stuff into the fridge. But I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, watch some Bob's Burger. Yeah, depending on how I feel, I might go to Japantown, but I might just end up just staying here at the apartment.